To run into the hole. No, they'll come running now. What, is she yelling at us or what? No. Oh, there are these plates here. The hole walks. That's how Capets yells. The same water was poured, right? Look, a hungry nightmare. Masha, the yawns are running. Look how hungry they are. Come on, get out, get out. Look, we'll take a look. After all, hunger is stronger than fear, right? You see, she left. I'll give them a normal. Although there, I went to ask you more. And I will. I'll give it to her. The little ones won't eat sausage. I'll give them here. And I'll give it to her. What a voice it has become. Look, what a cool jar. We'll take it. What was she afraid of? Law, did you choke? What's she burping about? No, immediately paid it to chew. It says sausage. In fact, pate. See, it sticks. In short, it is necessary to pour out of the box. Straight to the ground. Sonia. Well, yes, because they don't reach. Take it out. You've stayed a little bit different. Oh, these are all fucking eating up. That's it, thanks. We went.